Hi everyone, I'm Reina. Today I will make miso. Have you heard miso before? I love miso soup and also I can use miso for my cooking. It's very delicious. taberu.club お味噌はとても優秀な調味料です。
Miso is a very good seasoning.
Miso is a very good seasoning. So let's get started. And miso needs very simple materials here. This is salt. This is soybeans, already boiled. And this is Koji. So this is from Kanagawa prefecture, and this is very organic one. And also this salt from Niigata prefecture, very natural salt, many minerals in here. Good one. And this is also Nagano prefecture, Koji, and very good one, I think. So please choose your material because it's very important. So first of all, you have to make boiled soybean. One night, put in the water, and in the morning, maybe you take 1 hour and a half or 2 hours, and you can boil it and very soft now, like this. Okay. And here is a koji. This is raw koji. You can get raw, I don't know, maybe dry is okay also. So dry koji and raw koji both is okay, and you have to do separate like this. Okay. Miso. Making miso is very simple and very easy, but you have to take time. It's usually we say over 1 summer. So maybe 10 months or 9 or like that. But already those are, you can eat already food. So you can taste and like 1 month you can eat. But over the one summer, it makes more delicious and healthy for your body. Okay. So first of all, you have to make these beans and samasu. Not too high temperature. It's too high temperature, this koji gonna be die. So you have to do 40 to 50 degrees these beans. It's good temperature for that. So you have to roll and separate kojis, and please feel and say 美味しく作ってね。なんで言うんだろう。I make miso, but actually Koji make miso. Okay.
Miso is made by Jiuqu.
Miso is made by Jiuqu. So please say to Jiuqu, Koji に美味しく作ってねとお願いしてください。
Please make it delicious in Jiuqu.
Please make it delicious in Jiuqu. You know, in your mind. And feel every katamari you have to rock perfectly, please. Okay, I finished to separate each koji, Jiuqu. So next step, mix with salt and Jiuqu. And point is mix very well. お味噌作りをするときには均一に混ぜることがポイントです。
When making miso, it is important to mix it evenly.
When making miso, it is important to mix it evenly. Eventually. そう、eventually ね。均一に混ぜることが大事です。I recommend you have to use more big bowl. This is too small. So it's very hard for me, but I have just these bowls, so that's why I use. Okay. It's very good koji smell. Please feel your hand and your nose smells and feeling and say, make delicious, please. Okay. Okay. The feeling a little bit more moist. Not too dry. A little bit moist. The third step, I have to make this. Push. なんだろう。
Crush the soybeans enough.
Crush か。Crush the soybeans enough. Okay. Today a little bit hard. And if you do that, you can use. If you do this very hard, you can use this stick in the plastic bag, and it's more easily. But I want to do by my hands because my hands have some kink. It's very important to make miso. That's why decided to change the strategy. Okay. Today I made a mistake. It's too hard. I need more boil time, but I didn't. So enter all the soybeans, all soybeans here. Cookie を抜いて push out airs and like this. Can you see this? You have to, I recommend you, this is very thin. 薄い。薄いビニール袋は穴が開くので厚手のものをおすすめします。
Thick plastic bags are recommended as they have holes.
Thick plastic bags are recommended as they have holes. Yes. I had a hole here, so more strong one is good for do this motion. Okay, then return to the bowl. If not whole, you can use again, but not this time. Okay.
Crush all the grains.
Crush all the beans, please. I had a whole one still, but you have to crush. I have to crush. You have to crush too. It's gonna be good. After this, mix Koji. Okay. It's small bowl. I need mix evenly, so I recommend you bigger bowl. でも OK ね。とてもいい感じです。Very good feeling. 美味しくなれ、美味しくなれって思ってやってね。So, mix again. All stuff in here. But ちょっとパサついてるかな。A little bit dry because I need more watery. Now I make miso bowl like this. Okay. Today my miso is a little bit dry, but it's okay, no problem. After this, I will put in plastic bag, but you can use any bottle or bucket. If your miso is too dry, you can't make miso bowl, and then you can add yuzamashi. Okay, yuzamashi. It's not hot water. It's a low temperature hot water. How can I say that? Okay. Now I will put in plastic bag. Like this. Then push and take off the air. Okay. All the stuff in here now. よいしょ。いいね。Please push out the air inside to outside, from inside to outside. So I have to wait 10 months from now, and this room is 22 degrees, so you can put from 20 degree to 30 degrees. You can wait 10 months. Then we can eat miso. So we have to wait from now, and sometimes I have to check and if it have kabi. 味噌にカビが生えたらすぐに取ってください。
Take it as soon as mold grows on the miso.
Take it as soon as mold grows on the miso. Okay. So I will eat after 10 months. Thank you for watching. Bye.